Have you ever wondered what makes the Baic Bj40 2.0 2023 stand out in the crowded world of automobiles? This question has indeed intrigued many motor enthusiasts, and we find it fascinating as well. Today we're about to embark on an incredible journey of discovery, diving deep into the mechanism of this exceptional vehicle that has captivated the attention and interests of many. This is not an exploration of an ordinary machine, but a vehicle that has been meticulously engineered to perfection. The Baic Bj40 2.0 2023 is a marvel where each detail has been thoughtfully designed to create an experience that goes beyond the normal expectations of a vehicle. The design, the technology, and the power it harnesses are the result of years of research and development, and we are about to give you an exclusive look into it. The heart of this beast is its engine, a work of art, a marvel of modern engineering, a testament to the power of human innovation and design. It's not an engine, it's the soul of the vehicle, the driving force that propels it forward, lending it its characteristic roar that instantaneously commands respect and admiration. Powered by a 1.5-litre turbo engine, it's a powerhouse that packs an impressive punch. It delivers an extraordinary horsepower, ensuring a ride that's smooth, swift and exhilarating, giving you the thrill of speed without compromising on comfort. It's a testament to the meticulous engineering that the balance between power and control is so beautifully. Engine employs cutting-edge technology to attain a perfect equilibrium between power and fuel efficiency. It's not just about delivering power, it's about delivering it efficiently, ensuring that every drop of fuel is utilized to the maximum potential. This engine's design is a clear demonstration of our commitment to sustainable practices while delivering an unmatched performance. The Baic Bj40 2.0 1.5L 2023, therefore, is more than a car. It's an experience, a journey, a testament to human ingenuity, and a masterpiece that stands out among the crowd. An automobile that embraces the future while respecting tradition, a vehicle that offers more than a mere means of transportation, but a lifestyle, an attitude, a statement. And so, to return to the question that we started with, what makes the Baic Bj40 2.0 2023 stand out in the crowded world of automobiles? Well, it's the perfect balance between power and fuel efficiency. It's the heart of this beast, it's the roar, it's the engineering, it's the technology, it's all these things and more that make it a true masterpiece of engineering. But what about speed? This is where the Baic Bj40 2 truly shines. As we delve deeper into the world of automobiles, the quest speed often takes center stage. However, speed is not just about velocity, it's about the experience, the thrill, the sensation of being propelled forward. And this is why the Baic Bj40 2 stands out. Its advanced transmission system is not just of engineering, it's a testament to Baic's commitment to delivering unparalleled performance. It's not just about transferring power from the engine to the wheels, it's about doing it in such a way that ensures a smooth, consistent force that pushes you forward, that makes you feel like you're gliding on air. What's fascinating about the Baic Bj40 2 isn't just its speed, but how it achieves it. It doesn't simply force itself forward, but rather it accelerates with grace, with precision, like a well-trained athlete. It's a smoothness that leaves many of its competitors in the dust, wondering how such a feat is possible. The car's top speed? It's not just a number, it's a testament to hidden beneath its sleek exterior. It's a testament to the potential that lies within, waiting to be unleashed. It's a testament to the thrill of the ride, to the excitement that comes from pushing boundaries, from testing limits, from defying expectations. What makes this car truly remarkable is its ability to balance speed and comfort. It's not just about reaching your destination quickly. It's about enjoying the journey along the way. It's about feeling the road beneath you, feeling the power of the engine, feeling the wind rushing past. But it's also about being cocooned in comfort, about feeling secure despite the speed, about enjoying a ride that's as smooth as it is exhilarating. But Baic Bj40 2.0 doesn't stop at delivering high performance. It seeks to redefine what performance means, to push the boundaries of what is possible, to challenge the very notion of speed itself. It seeks to deliver a driving experience that is not just about reaching your destination, but about enjoying the journey, about making every moment behind the wheel a moment to remember. It's not just about raw speed, though. The Baic X55 2 is all about delivering a smooth, comfortable ride, no matter the speed. The car's design is another aspect that deserves mention. However, to truly appreciate the excellence of the Baic X55 2, we must delve further into its spectacular features and remarkable attributes, which make it a standout among the vast array of vehicles in the market today. The Baic X55 2 is a blend of style and functionality. This innovative design language isn't simply for aesthetic appeal, it has been carefully concocted, integrating both form and function. Its sleek lines and modern design elements are certainly striking. With its smooth curves and sharply defined edges, it is indeed a head-turner on the road. The Baic X55 2.0's exterior is not just about looks. It is cleverly designed to enhance aerodynamics, which in turn contributes to its impressive fuel efficiency. There's an undeniable charm in the light plays on the car's contour, highlighting its design features in a way that captures the attention. Its bold grille, LED headlights and stylish alloy wheels further enhance its sophisticated image. The overall exterior design exudes dynamism, making it a vehicle that commands presence and respect on the road. Moreover, its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable ride for both the driver and passengers. Interior is crafted with precision, offering optimum comfort for all occupants. Its spacious cabin, comfortable seats, intuitive controls, and advanced tech features together ensure a smooth, enjoyable ride. The driver-oriented cockpit is elegantly designed with easy access to controls, making the driving experience uniquely enjoyable. This remarkable vehicle hails from China, a testament to the country's growing prowess in the automobile industry. The Baic X55 2 is a symbol of China's impressive strides in car manufacturing, reflecting the nation's dedication to technological innovation and high-quality standards. This SUV embodies the spirit of China's fast-growing auto industry, setting a high bar for competitors worldwide. The Baic X55 2 1.5L 2023 is the latest model in a line of successful vehicles from Baic, a company with a rich history and a bright future. Its superior design and performance are a testament to Baic's commitment to realizing their vision of offering world-class cars that cater to the diverse needs and tastes of today's discerning drivers. This new model is more than just a car. It's a statement of Baic's ongoing commitment to innovation and excellence. In conclusion, the Baic X55 2 1.5L 2023 is a car that combines power, speed and design in a package that is truly irresistible. Its powerful engine and impressive top speed set it apart from the competition, while its sleek design and comfortable ride make it a joy to drive. And with its roots in a company with a rich history and a proven track record of success, it is a car that is sure to impress for years to come.